My name is Suman Sen. I have completed my Master of Science in Geology from Pune University. I have one year of experience in teaching in Pune University as a teaching associate for the subject of geology, mineralogy and gemology. And I prefer teaching over everything because it helps us to interact with students. It will help to interact with students and understand their problems regarding teaching, because in today's date the students face a lot of problems in teaching. So I teach history and geography, and mostly these two subjects students has a fear with, mainly for the history, not for geography but mainly for the history, because these are the dates. And one thing is for the students is that the history is a fun subject. No, there is no problem with history because the dates are pretty interesting if you compare those dates and study. And I usually prefer interactive sessions with the students. There shouldn't be a monologue. It should be a dialogue with the students. Both the students should ask questions, and it should be a fun time, not just like a school. It should be a fun time with the teachers. And finally, I wanted to join some organizations, but I found Gurusiksha is one of the best institutions providing tuitions and providing educations in Kolkata, and which made me eager to join this institute in this organization as a mentor.